Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, navigate into your settings. From here, scroll down to Battery and Device Care and select Storage. Now in here you will see your two different storage, so internal, and on the second page you see SD card. Once you see your SD card, tap on the three dots right here and select Format, Format, and give it a couple of seconds to perform that. And here we go. As you can see, it's now completely finished. So that is how you can format your SD card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.